whole YouTube channel make over $10,000 every month, and it took only 8 months to make over $100 every day. Just 8 months of YouTube can change your life. I have seen a lot of channels doing so, even a channel which upload a few 10 video, and even some are uploading only one video and it changed their life. Sometimes only one video can change your life. Here is how you can make that happen. Step 1, pick a niche. Make sure it's something that you are passionate about, or otherwise YouTube will become very boring for you. For me, it was fitness and health. But whether you enjoy finance, gaming, technology, or whatever, just make sure you are passionate with your niche. Step 2, write your script. You will gonna do this as soon as possible after watching this video, because the longer you wait, the longer it will be before you start making money. I'm gonna break this part down for you very quick. Most of the best YouTubers like Ali Abdal, VDLQ, and many more YouTubers use this exact method. A hook to trick the viewers, to keep them watching, the mind body, and the call to action of the very end. And I will definitely use AI, especially ChatGPT, to speed up this process. Let's jump to step 3, and after writing your script, you are going to record the voiceover. With the voiceover, you can use any mic or the one you have. Your smartphone is enough to record your voiceover like a professional YouTuber. There are many other YouTubers like you who have just started from scratch with nothing but using their smartphone, and they have able to achieve also over 100k subscribers with using their smartphone. So your smartphone is enough to start. And let's jump to step 4. That is the editing. You can pay a video editor, or you can use any editing application to edit your video. There are many videos that you can watch and learn how to edit your video and how to make thumbnail and some stuff like that. And from there you can go and get many free applications that you can use to edit your video. For example, you can use InShot, InMaster, CapCut. Especially me, I use InShot to edit my video. It's free and you can check it out. And when you're done with the editing, you need to slap on a thumbnail. You see, many YouTubers who make cover for their video. I like to use Pixel Lab to edit my thumbnail because it's really simple to use and really simple to understand also. And there are many big YouTubers who design their thumbnail with Pixel Lab. All you need to do is to design your thumbnail and make it very simple to understand. So after designing your thumbnail, now is to upload the whole package to YouTube and add a clickable title for your video and upload it to YouTube. Now you have just created a bank. Now except you are just getting started. Like I said, for me it took 8 months to make over $100 a month from YouTube. But it depends how you make your video. It can be longer, it can be sooner. It depends quantity over quality. If you make video that people really like to watch and make them happy, keep them watching, you will be successful on YouTube if you take your time and learn from each upload of yours and make it every video better than your last. Eventually the algorithm will reward you once you have got yourself a bit of following, and YouTube will start to recommend your video, and soon you will be start making money on YouTube. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.